Welcome to E3g5 Reflection. I am your host, Jason. Today we are going to reflect on the process of web design. Let's meet our panel. Host names panel. One second up. Here's Mojo.
Woo!
Hi, my name is Mojo.
This is David. Hi, my name is David. This is Carly.
Hi.
And that's Kyle.
Yo!
What would you do differently?
As far as doing anything differently, I would have had better contrast on my website, and I would have made the text alignment more consistent rather than having it like fluctuate, and I would have had a more consistent navigation bar.
For me, some things I would have done differently, instead of having all of our pages at the top cluttered, I would have changed the names of them to make them seem more planned out, and I would have put links to the next page at the bottom of every page, and did better time management.
I probably would have went in and fixed our surveys weren't embedded, and everything was kind of just jumbled up and really just put there. It wasn't really organized.
I would have ensured that my page was working, because when I showed it half of it didn't appear and the title wasn't on and stuff. So I would have fixed that.
Did you follow the directions? How often did you refer to them? Did your method work? Explain.
Yes, for the most part, I did follow the directions of the website. I had an image on all my pages, I had 3 paragraphs on all my topic pages, and I had an interactive piece to my website.
For me, I follow most of the directions. Some of them I didn't follow because I didn't have a picture on all of my pages, and not all of my pages were up to the standards.
You could say we follow, at least I follow directions, but I mean, it's kind of we never really referred back to them, so yeah.
I followed most of the directions, and some of them were hard to follow because they weren't explained as clearly as I would have liked them to. When we had to, after every class, we'd have to put the folder into Mr. McLeod's folder, and I was not aware of that until the last day. But we did not refer to.
Were your pages proofread? Did you make changes based on the proofreading?
Yes, my pages were proofread. They were proofread by Carly Sherwood and David Burrell, and I made a few grammatical changes to my pages.
My pages were also proofread by the other 2 people in my group, Carly and Mohammed. The changes that they told me to make, I did make, and my pages were better.
Alright, so my pages were proofread by David and Mohammed, and the things that they told me to edit, some of my spelling errors, or how my sentences were placed, or paragraphs and things like that, I did change, and I fixed them to my best ability.
My pages were proofread by Jacob and Lane, and they said almost everything was good except for a few grammatical errors, which I then did change. And I changed more stuff that they suggested, like the pictures and the titles.
Thank you for watching E3g5 Reflection. I'm your host, Jason, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.